Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive login and registration form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first we are in the registration form. Here you have to mention your email, and by using the uh, email type, here you can see that if I don't mention at the date, it won't allow me to, it won't consider this as an email. So by using the type as email in the input attribute in the input tag, so we are able to verify whether the given input is the email or not. So definitely try to use the type element in the input sections of the form. Then you can see I've added the I button. You can change, you can, so that you can be able to view the password that you have entered. Then we have re-enter and remember me button, and this is the registration button. And if you forgot your password, you can restart by forgot your password. Then you can go to the login button. This is the login button, so that you can enter your email and login. Here also we are having the password view and remove option. This entire website is responsive, that uh, it can be even it is even available in the mobile version. Let me show you. So this is the desktop version. Now we will see the mobile version. You can see this is the mobile version of the responsive login and registration form. So you can use this website in your professional portfolios, e-commerce websites, so that users can log in into your website and register at the same time. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.